This doesn't look like a truck from today. It looks like a truck from the future. Meet the Tesla Cybertruck, the most radical, controversial, and futuristic pickup ever built. The Cybertruck throws away everything we know about traditional trucks. Its ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton isn't just for looks, it's designed for extreme durability and strength. Flat panels, sharp edges, armored glass, and a full-width LED light bar give it a sci-fi, apocalyptic vibe that no other vehicle dares to match. Love it or hate it, you cannot ignore it. Under that brutal design is serious electric muscle. The top-spec Cybertruck can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, faster than many supercars, while still being a full-size pickup. With all-wheel drive, massive torque, and adaptive air suspension, it can tow heavy loads, conquer off-road terrain, and cruise highways effortlessly. This isn't just a truck, it's a performance beast. Step inside, and it's pure Tesla minimalism. A massive center touchscreen controls almost everything: navigation, drive modes, suspension, and more. With autopilot, over-the-air updates, and Tesla's smart software ecosystem, the Cybertruck actually gets better over time. It's not just a vehicle, it's a rolling computer on wheels. The Cybertruck offers a spacious electric truck bed, power outlets for tools, and impressive electric range, making it perfect for work, adventure, and daily driving. From job sites to road trips, it's built to do it all. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't trying to fit in, it's trying to change the game. So, is this the future of trucks, or the most daring experiment ever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic car content.